was a fun night's stay out here in Morro Bay. We stayed at this little Blue Sail Inn, which was super cool. But today, I've never done a motovlog before, so I figured why not. Today, the topic and what we're going to be doing is a Kawasaki Demo Day in Santa Maria, which is probably about a half hour south, but it is one hell of a beautiful ride to get there. This hotel I stayed out here was really cool. Here's some pics of it. Neat experience. We had a balcony that just looked straight at Morro Rock in the ocean last night, so I was messing around with the camera at this little Canon EOS R6, and I brought a few lenses. I did the 70 to 200 2.8L and then my little 14 to 35 f4, and just tried to play around and see what I could learn on how to get shots when it's pretty much pitch dark, which is super cool. I bounce all over the place. So back to the dang demo day. I'm hoping that I haven't gotten to do a lot of demos. Like I said, I did ride an R1 on the track once. That was pretty cool. I went to Laguna Seca for Moto America, which was really freaking cool. And I got to ride I rode a R6 there. I rode the GSXR 600, GSXR 1000. And then I also got to ride the BMW S1000 RR, I think it was like a 2021, and that thing was freaking dope. So it is super hard to get on some bikes and try them out. But yeah, Kawasaki is a good brand. It'd be pretty cool. Hopefully they have some good bikes there. I highly doubt they'll let me ride an H2, but if they do, I will definitely ride one. Hopefully there's not so many people, because they never do demo days in our area, so it's kind of like there's probably gonna be so many damn people there that you won't even get a chance, you know. Hopefully I don't show up and all the shit's freaking loaded up for the day. But yeah, it should be a cool experience. Woo, here we go. This is Pismo Beach. It's probably the most dangerous section of the freeway, and I think you can see why. That's one hell of a freaking view right there over Shell Beach, and we're coming into Pismo here as well. Freaking dope. But yeah, dangerous. Ain't nobody paying attention. Don't want to be hauling ass by this guy. He'll fucking cancel my insurance. And welcome to Santa Maria, California. Not my favorite place in the world, but this is where the only dealers we have in our general area are. And today, like I said, we are doing the Kawasaki Demo Day. So the truck should be out here. Hopefully it's going to be cool. It's supposed to be a barbecue, a bunch of fun, bunch of people, bunch of bikes. So I don't know how you could beat that. Get some cool pics for you guys.
Bunch of deals.
All right, here's the little ticket for now. Oh, she's peppy. Yeah, same little grunt I remember from the Ninja 400. Tons of fun. Guarantee this thing needs a slipper or a clutch upgrade. And I'd love to just wheelie this thing, but or at least try. I'm not a big wheelie guy, but I wouldn't mind seeing if I could double clutch this thing up pretty good for you guys. But I don't want to get in trouble. I want to ride more bikes today. All right. So we got the Z650. I would definitely want to whiten these things out. Right now they're like turned in. Okay, all right. For an inline 2, this thing sounds freaking dope. I am the guy who hates inline 2 Kawasaki motor sounds. This does not sound dumb. This sounds freaking awesome. All right. This ride is going to be on the Vulcan S. My first time being on a cruiser that isn't a Harley, which is going to be pretty cool.
Alright guys, we got that ready to go. I need a big thumbs up from everyone.
Alright, let the good times roll, huh?
Alright.
Thanks again to Santa Maria Kawasaki for hooking us up with this. We do not get these very often.
Z900.
Oh, oh.
Versus 1000 Z900 RS Vulcan S.
All right.
The 650.
Let's give her hell. Woo! Dude, this fucking seat position though. Holy crap, this is some comfy ass riding right here. I thought that 650 was comfy. Whoo! Man, you just sit back. I feel like I need a cup holder, honestly. The beer could probably be right there on the gas tank and it'd be good to go. Man, I thought the Sport Nakeds were comfy. This shit's dope. Oh yeah, we got plenty of freaking get up and go. Oh, I got lost from the pack. Wonder if I should catch up. Definitely have good clearance. This is like no joke. Freaking backroads freaking champion for cruisers right here. Like that Sportster, I was grinding them pegs when I was riding it. This thing, it has still plenty of clearance left when I'm getting it leaned over. So yeah, fucking +1 for the freaking Vulcan. Get out on some back roads and have some fun. Like when I was dragging the pegs on that freaking Sportster, that shit freaking scared the crap out of me, man. Well, now that was a fun day, guys. That was a lot of riding in one day. And now I still have a good hour 20 just to get home. Oh man, I am rode out. But man, like I said, totally cool, totally fun. Had a great time. I got to ride the Z400. This little bike was super cool. I've really kind of been interested. I really enjoyed my Ninja 400, so riding that thing was just awesome to have that little comparison. It was like the same feel, but yet a comfortable bike to ride, like a good little cruiser. And then I also got to ride the Z650. That little guy was pretty badass too. In fact, other than the handlebars sucking ass, I think that would be the bike I would want to have. Either that, it's basically like an MT-07, it's just Kawasaki's version of it. That was a pretty nice freaking bike to ride, no doubt. I would ride that thing to work every day. And then after the 650, I ended up riding the Vulcan S. I think that was my favorite bike that I rode out of all of them, to be honest with you. And then the last bike, but not the least, was the Kawasaki Ninja ZX6R. So I got back on the 636. This little guy was a friggin' blast to ride. I really enjoyed getting back on a 636 again. It's been about 3 or 4 months since I've been on one. I think I actually kind of liked mine. It was a 2018. I think I liked it a little bit better, but I was just probably used to mine. I would have gotten used to that bike. But thanks to Santa Maria of Kawasaki for hosting something like that. We never have demo days here on the Central Coast. There's not enough dealers do stuff like that, and for them to arrange that for us was really, really cool. I had a good time doing my first kind of like little motovlog, kind of messing around. I got this dude I've been bullshitting with, who's now he's got a YouTube channel as well. It's Baum Gardner. I'll link it down below. He's funny as crap. You guys should go check out his channel. But he's the one getting me all worked up, like, oh, I need to do motovlogs, man. Do something else other than just a repair video. Like, let's have some fun. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I had an awesome day today. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.